Welcome to the Bower stay. This is the beautiful living room where you can lounge on this very, very comfortable sofa. It looks like leather. I think it's leather, maybe? I'm not sure, but very comfortable. And over here, you can have maybe a cup of coffee, get some work from home stuff done, and enjoy the beautiful backyard view, an area for hanging out. Then over here, you have awesome linen and very comfortable bed, and apparently this has a mode for massage, wow, a wave mode, an incline. I'm not sure if that's working or not. Yes, okay, incline. Okay, how do we stop this? Okay, stop. So we'll fix that later. Very cool. Kind of crates over here as a nightstand. Really like that style. This is very cool lamp. I like that, very cozy. We can't forget the most important feature of this tiny house, which is the gumball machine. Next, the kitchen. I'm gonna shut this because no peeking, not yet. The kitchen. Let's turn on some lights here. There we go. What about this little light here? Perfect. So, come on over here into the kitchen. We have beautiful butcher box style countertops with a teal finish on the cabinets here. Tons of room for all your must-haves. You have your coffee selection, your plates, your non-breakable dishware. Great size toaster oven. Looks like you could bake a turkey in that thing. Some storage, this vintage style refrigerator. And over on this side, we have a very nice style sink. Reminds me of the one in our truck camper. I would say let's check out the bathroom. So, let's see the bathroom. Good ventilation. Not sure what that is, but it might have to do with the water. So it says filter. You wouldn't think a tiny house had a big shower like this, but it does. Very cool. Little extras, towels. There's a heater behind you there. Arbor Crest Acres photos. Oh, and before we're done here, check out these floors. More personalized, homey, decorative dealios. And that's the extent of this tiny house. So now it's time for you to go.